Aren't you cute? You trying to eat my flowers on the tree? And everything else? What you doing up here? Hi. Yeah? This is Cupcake's sleep place. And then I have this tree because he loves playing with it. So he needs a tree. Don't ya? And I have all this extra space, so I might as well. I love you. Love you. I love you so much. Who's my good boy? Hi. Who's a good boy? Are you getting used to the camera? Yeah, do you love it? It's because I love you so much I gotta get videos of how cute you are. Yeah, you're so sweet. I love you so much, mister. Uh-oh, someone's jealous. Nella, don't worry. I've been cuddling you all day. I love you too, girl. I love ya. She's like, it's not enough. You're giving him attention. Hi, birdie. How's my bird? Who's a good boy? Who's a good Blankii Blizzard? Hi, Blankii. Hi, Blank. How's my Blankii? You're such a good boy. I love ya.